Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Guys, how have to be? Welcome back dear friends, my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern, in which I introduce overall crochet ideas related to different types of things. Dear friends, in this video I introduce new and great crochet ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. I hope friends you will be like these crochet ideas in this video, and dear friends, like these crochet ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. So friend, let's come and watching this video. I introduce new and great crochet table runners, and these are completely different to each other and the most unique styles which I introduce in this video. So friends, like these crochet ideas which are related to the crochet pattern, in this video I shared with you a great new luxe crochet ideas which are different to each other. Kindly friends watching this video at the last. In this video you will be gain different type of knowledge which is your endurable. Dear friends, subscribe my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern and like my overall videos which are related to crochet pattern. In this video I shared with you dear elegant and sportive ideas which enhance your personality and your time treasure. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you will be like these crochet ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. In this video I shared with you new great elegant ideas which are most beautiful and are different to each other. I hope friends you will begin different knowledge criteria to watching this video. So friend, like my overall ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will begin different knowledge criteria to watching this video. And friend, it's a most unique styles which I introduce in this video. So friend, like these ideas which are related to the crochet pattern and share these ideas with your friends, mutual friends. Dear friends, these crochet table runners are different colors in this video and are completely different to each other, having a very stiffness and it's a biggest advantage of these crochet table runners is very highly effectively and produce a long sight awaits and long lasting effect. Dear friends, it's very easy in washing styles. So friends, gain different type of knowledge to watching this video. I hope friends you will be gain different type of ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. And dear friends, hopefully you will begin different knowledge criteria to watching this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern and like my overall ideas which are related crochet pattern. Crochet table runners are very beautiful and are different to each other. And dear friends, like these ideas which are related to the crochet pattern, and hopefully dear friends you will be like these crochet ideas which are completely different to each other. It's very unique styles for your home decoration. Give very long lasting effect. And dear friend, it's very beautiful and luxurious, elegant styles, lavish, luxurious, which increase your house beauty level. And friends, you will begin different knowledge criteria. Hopefully dear friends you will be like these crochet ideas. It's are completely different to each other. And hopefully dear friends you will begin different knowledge criteria. And hopefully friend, different ideas which are introduced in this video you will be Dear friends, hopefully you will be like my crochet ideas. It's a different and unique. Kindly dear friends, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, and dear friends in overall social personalities which you have to known as this. Hopefully dear friends you will be like these crochet ideas are completely different and most unique styles which I introduced in this video. So friends, like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel.